What's up everybody, it's Rina and Musawi. So today we're going to solve the third problem of the PicoCTF challenges. But before we start, this video is a part of my GitHub repository, which is all about PicoCTF problems and comes with all files needed, hence the problem, this tutorial video and much more. Link in the description, go check it out. And don't forget to subscribe and like. So now let's start. So let's read the problem first. Python scripts are invoked kind of like programs in the terminal. Can you run this Python script using this password to get a flag? So I'm going to open the web shell for this. So to download the Python script in this web shell, we need to use the wget. So wget, then go back to the problem and copy the link address of this. Then go back to the web shell, paste it here. Alright, so like that we download it. So we'll also download the flag in this way. So go back to the problem, copy the link address of the flag, then go back to the web shell, wget, and paste it here. So we'll just download the password text manually. Just click on it and copy the password. Alright, go back to the web shell. So after we got them all, we should print out the output of the Python script. And to do that, we need to type in python3 and nd.py, which is the Python script name. So E and D tags can be used when running the Python script. We can conclude that D tag would decode and we can pass the flag text file in as the file parameter, and we'll do that now. So python 3 nd.py and -d flag dot text dot n and enter. So if you're following right, you'll need to enter the password, and if you remember, we copied the password from the password file. Paste it here. Alright, here we got the flag. Copy it. Go back to the problem. Paste it. And there you go. We just solved the third problem of the PicoCTF and earned 10 points. And please don't forget to enter the link in the description to get all you need to solve the Pico problems. And that was our video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed and see you in the next video.